What's going on, guys? Today we are at a food truck on the south side of Canyon Lake. It's called Nick's Not Normal. This is an awesome little food truck. They got barbecue. They called me up because they're in need of a little bit of maintenance. Let's go talk to Nick and see what we need to fix. Oh, that actually is really good. All right, so here he is, Nick. Tell me your last name.
Nick Mateo.
And you are the owner of Nick's Not Normal Barbecue.
That's it, yeah.
That's awesome. Your food is great, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
I love stopping by. I love it. So tell me, man, what's the issue? What do we got going on here?
It's our warmer. It's the backbone of our barbecue. The warmer. It's where we keep all the goodies at. It's where we keep our brisket. It stays nice and warm. Our sausage, our ribs.
So without this staying nice and warm, it's going to cause a lot of problems.
So yeah, this is our backbone. This is
all right, this is part of the backbone. This is the workhorse. It's like the tires on the car. Some bad connections are probably going to be our main issue. We'll shut it off and open it up. Oh yeah, it smells good in there. All right, so what we're going to do first, we're going to unplug it. So looking at this might need to be redone. But let's go on the other side. Oh, I can smell it too. Oh, that's a burnt, crispy. I've seen a few of these before. And we can, oh, look at that. See, this is just crumbling in my own hands. Yeah, we have to re-terminate that. The on switch is also showing some wear and tear. Yeah, buddy. Oh, hey, look at that. This wire completely came off. Hey, Nick, one of your wires wasn't even connected.
One of them wasn't connected?
Yeah, one of them wasn't even connected.
Whoa.
Wasn't even connected.
Whoa.
Yep, that's your ground. We're gonna take the ground connection, put it there. That's back to normal. We gotta get some tape on that. Okay, real quick, Nick just pointed this out to me. There's a great horned owl that lives right here. We are on, what road is this?
2673.
We're on 2673. Nick's Not Normal. Right up in there, there's a great horned owl. Dude, that'd be so wild if she just like jumped out of the nest and just came right at me. All right, we can see some things right around here. Totally black. Here, completely black. We need to get new connections on here. So we're gonna do one at a time. Right. Oh yeah, that's totally brittle. Now we're gonna strip this insulation off. Put it in until you see the wire sticking out. Front bit down. Now you want to try to pull the connection off, which we can't do. It comes off a little bit, so we want to crimp this just a little bit. All right, you can see this black spot right here. This is definitely from excessive heat, and look at that. That connection just came right off of there. We're gonna cut the old one off. But the other one came off too. Dude, no good. Oh, love it. Yes, that is in there. Nice and solid. There's a few more down in there. I'm gonna finish those off, and then we're gonna button this all back together. Oh yeah, check out that connection. That is insane. Bad connection. Now we get the new connection on. There we go, nice and tight in there. Very good. Another one. Oh yeah, look at that. Dude, we get that connection back in there. All right, I do not see any more bad connections. All right, so everything looks good. There are no broken connections. There are new connections. And we're just gonna button this all back up, plug it in, and see if it builds up temperature. right, we got it back in there. Everything looks good, so let's close the door, turn it on, and see just how long it takes to heat it on up. Oh, yeah. All right, let's go ahead and turn that. Okay. Turn it as high as we can go. Now we wait, see how long it's gonna take for that to get up to. All right, we are outdoors, and the temperature is growing up to close to 150. All right, using the heat gun, let's go ahead and see what it is on the inside. We're at 185, 190. Man, that thing is cooking. It took close to 45 minutes to get up to temperature, only because it's a little chilly outside and this is outside. This thing was running at 120, now it's getting close back to 150. If we put some insulation on this thing, it would get up to temp a lot faster. And you'd be using less electricity. All right, so that looks like a success. You know, we got that back up to temperature. It was just some bad connections. It was just roasted, and we just put new ones on. Now it's just right back up to where it needs to be, operational temperature. How does that feel?
It feels great. It feels like I got new tires on the car. Like I mentioned, this thing, this operation, the warmers, the tires on the vehicle. We have the engine and everything, but without good tires, without this thing running, and
without good warmers, you're not gonna have the
we're not going
anymore.
anywhere.
Maybe we could just like put some insulation all around it, and that would get it up to just really nice and hot very quickly. Yeah, it looks good. So Nick's Not Normal. Barbecue, really good barbecue down here. Best barbecue here on the south side of Canyon Lake. I love it.
Absolutely, yes, thank you.
So if you're in the Canyon Lake area, definitely check out Nick's Not Normal Barbecue, and it's great. I really love the brisket and grilled cheese. That brisket grilled cheese is awesome.
Thank you. Yes.
And that sauce, you make your own homemade sauce.
Super simple, yeah.
Yeah, his sauce is super good. Love it. Awesome stuff. But be sure to check out Nick's Not Normal. South side of Canyon Lake.
Friday,
Definitely
Saturday,
check it out.
Sunday, 11 a.m. till we sell out.
Say that again?
We're open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 11 a.m. until we sell out.
There you go.
Typically at 4 or 5.
There you go. So great food, great guy. Thanks for watching the video. Hit the like button and subscribe. And always remember that Jesus Christ loves you, and only He can solve your biggest problem. If you know anybody who has a food truck, or if there's any food trucks out there that you guys have an issue with, like some maintenance or whatever, let me know, and then we'll work it out so I can come out, fix it, make a video, because I thought this was awesome. I love food, I love fixing stuff, so maybe we'll just keep going in this direction. Best way to reach out to me is through Instagram. I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. Definitely reach out to me because I love doing this.